Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Add two numbers with JavaScript. Number is a data type in JavaScript which represents numeric data. Now let's try to add two numbers using JavaScript. JavaScript uses the plus symbol as additional operator when placed between two numbers. So in this case, my var will have the value equal to 5 with added to 10, and semicolon is used to terminate this code, and afterward comment, a single line comment was used to show that its output will be 15. Change the zero, the task that provided in this challenge, change the zero so that the sum will equal to 20. Change the zero, so okay, here it should be 10, then the sum will have the value of 20. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.